I'm delighted to be here today among so many leaders in our Chinese Fijian community to join in your celebration of the Chinese New Year. This year's celebration bears special significance because I also have the distinct pleasure of officially opening the brand new Fiji China Friendship Pavilion, a gracious gift from the Chinese government, thank you, Your Excellency, that recognizes an important milestone for our Chinese community, the 160th anniversary of their residence in Fiji, an occasion I fondly recall celebrating with you all back in 2015. This beautiful new space, open to all, stands as a monument to the enormous contribution our Chinese community has made to our development as a nation, and as the name suggests, to the strong bonds of friendship that Fiji and China have always shared. The pavilion itself is constructed in the traditional Chinese style that can be found in the temples, in parks and gardens all throughout China today. This piece was actually constructed in China, as I've heard, before being assembled here at Terry Walk. And we are pleased to have such an authentic representation of Chinese history to add to the beauty of our capital city. In the Chinese lunar calendar, 2017 is the year of the Red Fire Rooster. Red Fire Rooster. All over the world, people are coming together with their families and their friends to say goodbye to the year of the monkey and welcome the new ideas and new opportunities represented by the year of the rooster, lighting fireworks, exchanging gifts, and enjoying the dramatic parades, costumes, and performances that are the hallmark of these celebrations each year. As Prime Minister, I often champion the great diversity we enjoy in Fiji as a key source of our strength as a people. There is some speculation among historians as the exact date the first Chinese settled in Fiji. But I can say confidently that since their arrival, our Chinese Fijian community has been an integral part of the rich cultural diversity that has made us the dynamic island nation we are today, leaders in the Pacific and an example for small island states the world over. We owe our unprecedented success as a country to every Fijian. We owe it to the effort that ordinary Fijians give our nation every day, because our greatest asset as a nation has and will continue to be the ability of the Fijian people. Being Fijian is not about where our ancestors called home, our ethnicity, or the religion we choose to follow. Being Fijian is not about where we were born or our standing in society. To be Fijian is to be patriotic. It is to adhere to the rule of law and to the Constitution, our Constitution. And it is to work hard, to be resilient in the face of adversity, and to do our part in building a better world for the next generation. That is what defines us as a people. And that is what you have been a part of for the past 162 years. So I'm very glad to open this new pavilion so that appreciation of your history in Fiji can stand for all time and for all to see. Excuse me. With those few words, I wish you all a very happy and prosperous Year of the Rooster, and officially declare open the new Fiji Chinese Friendship Pavilion. Thank you very much. Seseni.